Okay, today we're going to do some maintenance, getting ready for this season. Tomorrow is my first ride, so I'm pretty excited. I still have to replace the bushings in the back of this arm here. You have to order these. Of course, the price has gone up. As soon as people are figuring out the XR Pro is a pretty cool build, now the replacement parts are more expensive. So for this bag, it's basically a kit you have to put together for all the bushings and through bolts. And then there's a little copper bushings I need. Brass, copper, brass. I think they're brass. But you'll have to order this kit. It's from Pacific Cycle. You will need all of these parts. So this little bitty bushing here goes in here. So now we've let the air out of the main chamber and the secondary chamber. We're going to take a 4mm Allen head and take both these sides off. So we can replace this side, and hopefully that side's still good. We can just re-grease. As you can see, it's pretty nasty in there. I'm going to go ahead and get some gloves on before I get nasty. Just nasty old grease. Hopefully it's just the bushing and I haven't worn out the inside of that frame. That's much better. Must have gotten a lot of mud and water in there at one time. Just gently let it relax. The cables will hold it. It's not going to break. Just don't put any extra pressure on it. But there you go. You pop those bushings out the inside and the outside, replace them with this bad boy. That's pretty much it. Get it greased, put back together, and continue to the next one. Sitting here trying to figure out how old this is. It's very old. Grease doesn't spoil. So figure I've got about another 5 years of use out of this. Get some more. This is what it'll look like after you've installed and tightened. All you have to do now is wipe it clean, but it should be oozing out everywhere. Make sure you get maximum coverage.